how to enable or disable block software updates by USB cable on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and tap on security and privacy. After that, we scroll down and tap on auto blocker. Now make sure auto blocker is turned on at the top here. And then we scroll down to the advanced section. And in here, tap on block software updates by USB cable. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. So if you do want to go ahead and perform software updates by the USB cable, in that case, you need to turn this off. Otherwise, you can switch this on to prevent installation of system software using the USB cable. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.